Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this BigQuery sandbox. So BigQuery capabilities at no cost. So here we can use this BigQuery sandbox with free of cost. Okay, with free of cost. So no need to log into our Google Cloud account. So there is not required Google Cloud account and credit card also. So without having the credit card, we can work with this BigQuery sandbox, friends. BigQuery capabilities at no cost. Okay, now I am going to go to that GCP now. So now you have to log into your Gmail account, friends. First of all, you need to log into the Gmail account. So you have to log into our Gmail account. So just actually, I have already recorded that video. So I'm going to find that video. Just give me a second, friends. Yep, sounds great. So now we need to log into our Gmail account first. Then we need to find the BigQuery sandbox in the Google. Okay. So in the search, I'm going to type in the Google search BigQuery sandbox. So you have to type it, friends, BigQuery sandbox. Okay, so now we are going to enable the BigQuery sandbox. The BigQuery sandbox, we can explore the limited BigQuery capabilities at no cost. Okay, now we are going to enable the BigQuery. So just click the link, friends, enable the BigQuery sandbox. Now we need to copy this URL console.cloud.google.com BigQuery. So we have to paste that link, friends. I need to select my mail ID. So now I'm selecting my mail ID here. So you have to select your mail ID. So then you need to replace this. We need to paste that link console.cloud.google.com BigQuery. Now we have successfully logged into that, but it will ask some conditions also. Okay, now actually correct mail ID I need to select it, friends. So that is the wrong thing I'm doing it. Okay, so it will be the pop-up message. It will come like that only, friends. The terms of services like that it will come. Okay, you can also see it from your end, and I'm referring the documentation, so you can see, friends, the terms of services. It will be coming like that only. Then after that it will come these messages. Okay, now we are going to sorry, this not this wrong window. Okay, this is the correct window. So just I agree this terms of services, agree and continue. So just click agree and continue. So it will not ask any card information. Okay, so no need to worry. Now we are able to successfully log into this, friends, the BigQuery sandbox. Now you can see there is no project here, no organization. Now I am going to create a new project, friends. So now I am going to create a new project with this my project name, then create. So click create. Now the new project will be created for us. So let's wait for that. Before that, we are going to see the limitations in the Google BigQuery. So what are the limitations in the BigQuery sandbox? Okay, BigQuery sandbox limitation. So now we have successfully logged into that, successfully enabled that. So there are limitations. We are granted the same free usage limit as the BigQuery free tier also, including 10 GB of active storage. So you can see, friends, 10 GB they are giving the active storage. Okay, so we can use that. If it is exceeded, then we have to go with the premium account, or else we can wait for 1 month. Okay, so then 1 TB of processed query data each month. 1 TB of processed query each month. Actually, including 10 GB means there is a total storage, friends. And 1 TB of processed is query data is every month only. Okay, so if it is exceeded, then we need to pay for that. There are some limitations also. BigQuery Sandbox doesn't support streaming data, data manipulation, language statements, and BigQuery data transfer service. So we need to check this also. Okay. So if we need to use this case, then we need to go with the Google Cloud account. Now we are successfully created the this project, GCP Sandbox project in the Google BigQuery. So now I'm going to create some test data set and table. I'm going to upload some file and I'm going to check it, friends. Now I'm going to create a test data set. Okay, under this project, just I'm going to give us test data set. So this is already we have seen multiple times, friends. So it will be boring for you also. So definitely you can skip this. Okay, if you don't want. If the new persons they are watching, then it will be good. Okay. So now next we are going to create a table. Okay. Next we are going to create a table. I'm giving the table name as test, and here we need to select the file. I forgot to select the file. Just click upload and click browse. So I'm going to upload the CSV file. So this is already I have done it. So many demos. So that is what I am doing it. So CSV file format, and you need to select the schema auto detect. The schema will be automatically generated. Now I am going to create the table. So now I am going to create a table. Next we are going to run some select statements, friends. So now you can see the load job created, test table has been created right now. So you can see the details also now. We can see the details and the preview also. So preview we can see like a customer ID, first name, last name, product and amount. Now we are able to see that. Now next thing is we are going to query this. So I'm going to put select star from project ID test dataset table, and I'm running this query, friends. Now you are able to see this. So I hope you understood this concept. So easily we can do that. Okay, BigQuery sandbox. So next I'm going to do some. I'm going to include the public dataset. So how to do that? So public dataset we need to run some queries also. So how to do that? I'm going to do it, friends, right now. So this is we have completed it. Next, I am going to do that in the public data set. So public data sets, we are having a lot of public data sets, right? In the Google BigQuery. So how to do that? So now we are going to see this next one. So public data sets, we need to work with the public data sets. So this is the query, the public data sets. Query a public data set with the Google Cloud Console. So there are steps they have given. So here you can see this is the explore page. Okay, so we need to log into the BigQuery and click add symbol, and here then under the data sources field we need to type the public data set, friends. So just click add here plus symbol, and here you just type the public data sets. Okay, just enter. Then you need to select this card symbol, and here you can select whatever the data set you need, friends. So I'm going to select this New York, this one NYCTL C tips. So just select it and click view dataset, friends. That's it. So now you can see it in under the BigQuery. But this is my wrong mail ID. So I need to select my correct mail ID, friends. So this is my wrong mail ID actually. I need to select my correct mail ID, I guess. Okay, I think it is coming. No need to worry. Okay, fine. So you have to log in your Gmail account correctly, friends. So yeah, now we have successfully done that this BigQuery sandbox demo. You can also try it from your end, friends. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the GCP services. Thank you so much. Bye bye.